Kia ora guys, it's Ree here again. I'm currently in Melbourne. I'm trying to build myself up to a 4-day hike, which we will be doing in New Zealand. At the moment we want to go to Moana Lake, which is one of the, I think it's 9 great walks of New Zealand. I've already done half the track before, so it'll be good to get back into, go back there and finish off the track that I started a few years ago now. I did that track. So at the moment I'm just daily, building myself up. I'm actually on a dirt track, if you can see that, which is not far from my home in Melbourne. Yeah, so we would like to do the Moana track in December. My grandfather's family is actually from the area too, so that helps. We will be finishing our hike off with a climb up Mangapuha to Maunga, so that'll be really great. Today I just wanted to talk about weather conditions, and the reason why is because considering the weather conditions in your hike or even in your training, like the weather's pretty bad here today. It's really windy, which is there's actually a fire warning too on Melbourne or Victoria at the moment, because of lightning, and we're going through a bit of a storm, and I think Cyclone Marcus is in the area. It was really hot, and we had thunder and lightning, and we've had rain this morning. But one of the biggest concerns, and even when training, is the weather conditions. Really something that you need to think about and consider before you go hiking. So this morning for example, when I got up, I says to my family, let's go for a short walk, and they were like, oh, the weather's horrible, it's not very good weather for that. I said it's perfect New Zealand weather, and it is, because it's cold, it's windy, it's raining. So we got up, and now we're doing it. It's not actually that bad now, but one danger or risk factor that we had to consider is the wind, because the trees here are so weak and they are prone to snapping and breaking, and it's not uncommon for a tree to fall down here. I mean, they are in sand, so yeah, and as you can see behind me, there's quite a few trees. But I like this track because it's a dirt track, and it just reminds me of the conditions that we will be walking in. And saying that, doesn't matter where you are tramping in the world, you're always going to have to consider the weather. And at the end of the day, if you're on a track or on a hike and you find yourself 2 days in or whatever, you've got no choice, no matter what the weather is, but to just carry on. So when you're training and preparing for your hike, don't let the weather stop you from doing your daily routine. That's basically the moral of my story. You just got to get out there and just got to keep going and be consistent, and just keep doing your daily routine so that you keep building yourself up for the hike. No matter what the weather is going to be like yesterday it was really tropical, it was in the 30 degrees, it was really hot yesterday, but I just had to do it because I just can't wait for the weather to be great. So yeah, so I just want to say thank you for watching my video, and like and subscribe. And if you've got any questions, you can just comment below and I'll endeavour to answer your questions. Yeah, okay, have a great day, bye bye.